Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install the Red Lantern game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to store, and inside the store search for the Red Lantern and then click on the Red Lantern game. Scroll down. Here you will see get the Red Lantern free to keep when you get it before 18th June 2026. And here you can see the add to account button. So if you download this game before 18th June, then you can keep this game forever in your account. So click on add to account button, then click on click to install now. And here you can see the Red Lantern and the file size is 1.4 GB. So click on install button. Now go to library and here you can see that the Red Lantern game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can also download or install the Red Lantern game on PC. And if you download this game before 18th June 2026, then you can keep this game in your account forever. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.